Finnovation. Recently I got a pair of stilts, and I've always wanted to learn how to ride a pair of stilts. So in this video, I'm going to be learning. Let's get into it.
Okay, we just found these old stilts. I am so excited. I've wanted to ride these things my whole life. Like, I'm actually so excited. So hopefully I can share some tips with you on how to learn to ride stilts really fast. Now, I've never ridden stilts. I've never tried them before. So I have no idea how it's gonna go. But here's the thing, I've never seen anyone ride stilts before. I'm just gonna give it a try. Whoa, it's a little disorienting. So I'm just gonna keep on trying and see if I can get anywhere. So far, this is kind of like a unicycle. You want to just set tiny goals for yourself, and my first goal is to just like move, and now I'm getting about 2 steps. So right now my goal is to get about 3. I'm gonna continue. Okay, I just got 3 steps, and I'm not gonna stop and say, oh, I just got another step every single time, but it really does feel exciting. My goal for the end of this video is to be able to walk all the way down the street on my stilts. Okay, I'm getting a ton better at these. I think at least. The hardest part is getting on. You've really got to find, you got to find like this part of your foot, the part that's kind of curved on the inside. That's where I'm finding it's best to walk with your stilts. I tried my toes and my heel, and that's just like kind of a lot harder to balance. And getting it a lot better. Oh. And a lot of times when I fall off, I lift up my foot, but my arm doesn't lift up the stilt. So the trouble is I then slip off the stilt when I take a step. So I'm just gonna keep practicing. Okay, right now, I'm making progress still. Right now I'm at the not fun part of it. My hands are starting to get sore. I'm getting frustrated when I fall. But this is the part when most people quit learning something. What you gotta do is just keep going at it. So the trouble with me right now is the stilts are twisting when I want them to stay straight. So, like I'll give you an example. I'll probably fall because it twists. But I can walk pretty well, or I try to rush it, and when you take too big of a step, see how it just twisted there, and I fell off. So I'm gonna keep practicing and try it again. Okay, we took a little break. It's still the same day. My family had to go out shopping, and I came back, and I can totally do it. It's like, I don't know, I think that little break just let my body figure out how to really get it in muscle memory. So these stilts are adjustable, and I can bring these little paddles up and make it a lot higher. So we're gonna try going 1 or 2 notches higher. Okay, my dad just adjusted these. I'm super excited, but I'm also kind of scared. We were at the first notch, now we're at the 3rd. Let's see how this goes. Whoa! I'm so tall! Wow. Okay, I'm gonna try going this way. I do want to tell you guys that it's a lot easier when you're learning to start with your hands like this and walk kind of like that. But once you get better, you're gonna find it's so much easier to do it like this. Okay. And as always, don't practice the wrong way too much, or it'll become a habit. Whoa! That is weird. Okay, it is a new day, and we moved our stilts up just another notch. And I'm gonna use a chair to get on, because as it gets higher and higher, I just really can't step on here and get up without falling over. So I'm just gonna use this chair to step on. Okay, so another problem is you're supposed to use stilts by kind of wrapping your arm around it like that, but I cannot do that with these because they're too short. So if I do try walking on them, whoa, I can't really get a good balance, but when I can, whoa, this is crazy. The trouble is that the poles aren't long enough. So what we're gonna do is we have this old broomstick. We're gonna spray paint it white, cut it in half, and make these things tall enough. All right, what we're gonna do now is once we've got this cut, we're gonna put these poles into these poles, and we're gonna drill some holes and put a screw through. All right, we're gonna do that right now. Okay, we just screwed these on, and I'm gonna give it a try. Really kind of nervous. I'm gonna do this. Whoa, this is weird. It's so tall. Oh my gosh, I'm a little scary. It's okay. I feel so tall. Perfect. Okay, it's a new day, and at the beginning I said I'm gonna walk all the way down the street. I don't know if that's an ambitious goal or not. Here's my first attempt. All right, so I'm gonna go up on my stilts. Okay, and I'm just gonna start walking. Might take a while, so stick with me. What I found is my goal was a little bit ambitious for 1 week. I think I'm really getting the hang of it, and 2 isn't much harder than 1, and 1 is like the higher up you get, it's really not too much harder, but I just feel like going all the way down the street is just a little bit too much to do, and I can't really master these in 1 week. I'm sure at some point I'll be able to. And another thing that would be super nice are some handles on the sides, because really the trouble is if you lose your grip, they spin on you, and it just does not help. So I think that stilts, you could probably learn to walk on them in about a couple days, but you can't master them probably for a while. I thought they were going to be a lot harder. It only took me about 2 days to learn. So, I don't know, the stilts are pretty cool.
Stilts, Finn, that reminds me of a joke.
Oh, no.
What do you call it when you have a cow on stilts?
What?
Raising the stakes.
That was awful. Whatever. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.